Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Technical Notice Board. So where you can get the notification for all the technical events that will be useful for both the faculty and the students. So today we will see the excellent opportunity for the students to do the internship. So this is the internship details. The internship name, the software student training in engineering program, which we call it as a STEP intern 2025 offered by Google, right? So the locations will be Bangalore, Karnataka, India, Hyderabad, etc. And let us go in detail. So our summer internships will start in May 2025 and it will be around 10 to 12 weeks in the duration. So by applying to this position, you will have an opportunity to share your preferred location. So you can select any one of the location and see here here are the minimum qualifications. So currently enrolled in a bachelor program, majoring or intending to major in a computer science or related technical field. So experience in one or more general purpose programming language. So you should be familiar with one programming language and you must be able to communicate in English fluently and should be actively participated in technical discussions. And preferred qualifications coming to this currently enrolled in a full-time degree program and returning to the program after completion of this internship. So those who are doing their degree program, so they will be eligible for this particular internship and the ability to complete a full time it takes a 10 to 12 week internship and that will be maybe between May and August 2025. So as here mentioned, the exact program dates will be provided later, and the excellent programming skills etc. Example C++, Java or Python. You should be familiar with any one of the programming language, right? And see here you can observe it will be open to underrepresented groups who will be in the second year of their university studies by the summer of 2025 and are studying computer science or a related subject. So these will be the students who comes under this category will be eligible for this internship program. And this program mainly includes the three components of a software project, skill based training and a professional development. So you will be trained by the team so regarding this particular internship, and you will be involved in some projects, and this program is open to all qualified university students and is committed to addressing diversity in our company and in the technology industries to who students who are a member of a group that is historically underrepresented in the technology industry are encouraged to apply. So anyone can apply, those who are studying computer science or related subjects. Okay. And see, if you are eligible for this one, so once refer this, I'll post the link in the description and just click on the apply and give your complete details, and you may get a chance of doing internship in this program. Definitely that will upskill your knowledge. Okay, that will be definitely useful in your career. So I suggest the students, the undergraduate students, so you please apply for this internship and avail the opportunity. So I'll post the same link in the description. Okay, all the very best.